If you're someone that's struggling financially or desperately trying to quit your job, listen to this, because it doesn't matter how great your business model, idea, product or service is, if you don't know how to present it properly to your audience. Your potential customers need to know how your offering can benefit them. So unless you can convince them why you need it in the first place, you'll never sell big. Most new entrepreneurs fail simply because they don't know how to craft that irresistible offer and automate their sales process. As a result, they make zero sales. And this is where the One Funnel Away Challenge comes in to change the game. Now, a funnel is simply a journey you take your prospects through to warm them up and get them informed about the value you're offering all the way up until they feel comfortable enough to give you their money. The best thing about the One Funnel Away Challenge is that you need absolutely no prior experience to start, and you can still succeed, just like all these people. So, if you're thinking about starting a successful online business or taking your existing one to the next level, this is for you. This challenge isn't some boring guru course, as it combines proven marketing knowledge with the push you need to take action. You'll learn everything from start to finish, get live coaching, and actually build your first funnel with top masters from across the world, including Russell Brunson himself. Just remember that there's only so much time you can afford to waste, so click the button below to book your spot now and get on the waitlist. Seats are filling up way too fast, and this might not be available again for a long time, so check it out now before it's too late.